Hey, welcome everybody. Well, today we're working on a 97 Polaris Scrambler 500. Now I'm changing the brakes on it, and if anybody know about these brakes, it almost looks like, how do you get this pin to come out? Because they're just slip back in there. Well, over time, with riding and heating and junk, they get stuck in there and they don't just fall out. And this is kind of a problem. Well, what I did is use some BB blaster right there, BB blaster, and sprayed it on there. But really what did the job is I used a pair of these small vice grips. I went down in here and clamped onto that and then turned it and then pushed it out. See how it goes out? Then I can do the same on the other one. Well, that's what you do. You put that on there, you kind of rock it back and forth, brakes are loose, spray some BB blaster on it on both sides, and it'll work its way out. So this was a real kind of a trying to figure out how to do it, but that is the simplest way I find to use a little small pair of vice grips. I even had a little one. Really, I started out with this one. Small pair of vice grips, grab a hold of that thing and kind of rock it back and forth until it comes out. And it's real easy and simple. So I hope this helps somebody. I'm just going to make this short video to show you how to do that. Some people might be getting stuck on it because it would look like, well, how do you do it? Don't look like it's no way to get it out. That's the only way to do it. So have a good one. Hey, you like this video? I'm going to have many more like it. Subscribe, push the bell, and come along with me, because on this I got even more to do on this bike here. I got to put the front drive shaft in. So I hope that helps somebody, and have a good one. Everybody have a good one. And as I say, every day you're up and walking, it's a good day. Take care, everybody.
Come on, 6. 6. Come on, 6.